Hello once again, everybody. Welcome back to Knox Asian Recipes. Today, fragrant basmati rice with chickpeas. So she's going to start by washing and soaking about 300 grams of basmati rice. She's going to leave it soak for a couple hours while she's cutting up 4 medium-sized onions. Just slice them any way you want. You can slice them big. And next, she's going to slice up 5 medium-sized tomatoes. Also, can cut them into big slices any way you'd like. And today, to accompany this dish, she's got firm tofu, about 250 grams. If this were not vegan, you could use chicken. So she's going to cut it into rather big pieces. Then later, she's going to fry them a little bit. But first, she's going to coat them with turmeric and salt. Now she goes to her mortar and pestle, a couple of pieces of ginger, some garlic, and some green chilies. These are not that spicy, moderate spicy, you can decide. And she's gonna mash them up in her mortar and pestle. There it is. Great flavor from this one. Here's all the ingredients: her tofu coated, pre-cooked garbanzo or chickpeas, tomato and onion ready to go, the garlic, ginger, chili mixture. She's got some mixed vegetables. And then she's also got coriander, and she has chili powder, and she has cumin seed, and then the rice that's been soaking, and these are the ingredients for cooking the rice. So this is not as complicated as it might seem, because a lot of the ingredients are just dry ingredients or pre-prepared. Now she's going to fry up her tofu pieces, and this oil, which will take the flavor of the turmeric, she's going to continue to use throughout the process. Beautiful tofu. Let's set that one aside then. So she's ready to cook up her onions. Just crystallize them a bit in this turmeric infused oil. You guys might know that basmati rice is fragrant rice, but all of these different spices and ingredients add a lot of fragrance also. She's going to soften up her tomatoes together with the onion now. So that's the wonderful base of flavors that she's got going. It's incredible. So she's ready to put her garbanzos, which were pre-cooked, natural garbanzos, chickpeas if you prefer, and just mix it all together. Then now for the rice, you'll remember it's been soaking for a couple of hours. She'll give it a final rinse. And then she's ready to combine it with bay leaves, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, salt, and a little bit of oil. Cook up the rice. And she'll cook the rice on slow heat, actually, just for about 15 or 20 minutes until it's soft. Then she's going to remove all of the ingredients that she used to flavor the rice. And there's her rice ready to go, and she's going to save the broth, of course. She'll be able to make a soup with this rice fragrant broth. So she's going to put the rice into a pot, and then she's going to layer in the garbanzo flavored mix with the mixed vegetables. You can see it has carrots, corn, and peas. Nok is using these frozen mixed vegetables, but you can be creative and use any vegetables that you want. Now she's just gonna cover it up and cook it on low heat for another 15 or 20 minutes until everything combines. And there it is. Everything is combined. It's still moist. She covered it up with foil to not lose any more water from this. And it's ready to serve. Today, she's going to combine it with a little bit of cucumber salad and her fried tofu. We hope you enjoy this. Try it at home. It's delicious, very nutritious. And until next time, thank you so much for watching till the end. Bon appetit!